take a picture.
Do you?
Yeah. A picture of me and Autumn.
Really?
Yeah. Papa, why do you have this?
Okay.
Why do you have this? This and this. Papa, why do you have this? Papa, why do you have this sticking to this? Papa,
Yeah.
why do you have this sticking to this? Papa.
It keeps the pocket closed.
Oh. Hey, Papa, listen to me. Hey, Papa, it's a little tiny baby one.
Yeah.
And that's so cute.
That's very cute, eh?
Yeah, can you see what's inside of that baby one?
Look at that
Nothing.
beautiful baby one.
Papa, why is there nothing inside the baby one?
It's just meant for food.
Oh.
I finished my supper and finished cleaning it.
Papa, I'll miss the baby one. Papa, listen to me. I'll miss the baby one. Papa, I'll miss the baby one.